Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install Todoist on your Mac step by step. Todoist is a powerful task management app that helps you organize your to-do lists, manage projects, and stay productive across all your devices. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your Mac. In the address bar, go to todoist.com/downloads. I'll also leave the direct link in the description below. Once the website loads, you'll see two download options. Download for Apple Silicon Macs. Download for Intel Macs. Before choosing, let's quickly check which processor your Mac uses. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen and select About This Mac. If you see Apple M1, M2, M3, or any M-series chip, download the Apple Silicon version. If your Mac shows Intel as the processor, download the Intel Mac version instead. After clicking the correct download button, the file will start downloading automatically. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. When the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Todoist installer file. A new window will appear. Simply drag the Todoist app into the Applications folder. This installs Todoist on your Mac. Once the copying process is complete, close the window and move the installer file to the trash. Next, open the Applications folder and double-click Todoist to launch it. If macOS shows a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, click Open to continue. The first time Todoist launches, it may ask for permissions such as notifications or file access. Be sure to allow these so the app works correctly and can send you reminders. After that, you'll be prompted to sign in. You can log in using your email, Google account, or Apple ID, or create a new account if you don't have one yet. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Todoist on your Mac. You're now ready to organize tasks, manage projects, and boost your productivity. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and check out the channel for more Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.